Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Chennai Cook.
This time I'm going to show you my chicken curry recipe. For that I've taken a hot pan. To that I've added 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, few cinnamon stick pieces and 1 dried red chili. I am sauteing them till they crackle. Once that is done, I'm adding 1 cup of onions, that is 2 onions roughly chopped, and few curry leaves. You need to saute the onions till they become translucent. Now that the onions have cooked, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We also need to cook the ginger garlic paste till the rawness goes off. The ginger garlic paste looks like it's cooked. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder, garam masala and salt, and half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. I'm sauteing the masalas and allowing it to cook for a minute or so. Once this is done, I'm adding chicken pieces. For this recipe, I've taken half a kg of chicken. Saute this well till every bit of chicken piece is coated with the masala. The masala has coated the chicken well. I'm adding 1 cup of tomato, that is 1 tomato roughly chopped, and 1 cup of water. I'm closing this with the lid and allowing it to cook for 15 minutes on the low flame, after which your chicken curry looks like this. The water has really reduced and this looks really delicious. I hope you like this recipe. Do subscribe to my channel.